Hello internet, what's up my peeps? This is my robo mower, Magoo Jr. He has a tendency to dig holes in the lawn when he gets stuck, as seen here. In this video I'll fix this hole and prevent him from digging a new one. What? What the hell? Start by cutting off like 3 centimeters or just above an inch. Just make sure it's on. And then roughly a centimeter. Both sides. Straighten out the strands. Opposite twist. Put them together. Twist them back. That worked a treat. We then apply a couple of drops of speed glue. Just a couple of drops. Leave that to dry for a couple of minutes. Bring the shrink tubing over it. And we're done. But this works. It's strong due to the hot glue or speed glue, and it hello spider, and it's waterproof enough thanks to the shrink tubing. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. Please stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.